We're smack dab in the middle of what many consider the peak of salad season. Right now, tomatoes are so juicy, we could eat them like apples. And the cukes, so crisp and fresh tasting. They're not only the perfect addition to our salads, but a welcome anytime snack. With produce this good, it only makes sense that the salad dressings that we top them with are equally fresh. That's why I'm sharing a few homemade dressings that'll make any salad farm stand worthy. If you love creamy dressing, start by placing a chunked up cucumber in a blender or food processor along with some sour cream and a bit of mayonnaise. Add a bit of chopped onion and a few spices and give it a whirl. In seconds, you've got a dressing that's creamy and dreamy. Or if you'd rather drizzle your salad with a vinaigrette, we've got a couple that you can throw together using ingredients that you probably have in your pantry. To get the recipe for our creamy farmer's dressing, our poppy seed vinaigrette, which goes great with fruitier types of salads, and our orange honey dressing, which is really refreshing, visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a freshly dressed way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. You want a fork?
Yes.
There you go.
Thank you.